Tensions escalated in Manipur after 3 bodies were found near the Manipur-Assam border. The bodies were found days after 6 members of a family were kidnapped by the militants in Manipur's Jiribam district. However, it has not been established yet whether the recovered dead bodies are of the kidnapped victims. The mortal remains they have been sent to Silchar Medical College and Hospital in Assam for verification. And my colleague Ratndeep joins us from Shillong to get us more on this story. Ratndeep, just break it down for us. What exactly transpired there?
Well, there have been several developments in the last couple of hours since last evening in terms of the crisis in Manipur, particularly related to the violence and escalation of violence in Jiribam. Yesterday, 3 bodies, decomposed bodies, were found, and it is believed to be among those 6 people who were missing, 3 women and 3 child, and just now sources have confirmed us that 3 more bodies have also been found. So in that way, maybe all the 6 bodies for which a search and rescue search operation was conducted have been found. We are still awaiting details from police sources in terms of exactly how they were found. However, this morning in Silchar, where the 10 bodies of the the tribal militants who were gunned down earlier this week in a shootout with security forces were kept there. Remember, for past couple of days, the protesters from the Kuki-Zo communities have been asking for handover of those bodies. So there this morning, when Assam police went there to take those bodies out and ship them back to Manipur, the protesters there objected to it. There was a scuffle. Police had to lathi charge. Those dramatic visuals should be on our screen at this moment as we speak. And in that incident, when the lathi charge took place, after that there was stone pelting from the side of the protesters. What we are hearing from our sources in Assam police at this moment, the situation is under control, but it remains tense. So therefore, more reinforcement has been sent near the Silchar Medical College. Remember, Jiribam is just across the border from Silchar town in Assam, and therefore all these bodies, first the 10 bodies of the militants who were killed, and now the bodies which have been recovered, which were from decomposed bodies which are being recovered, are being sent to Silchar. So therefore, more reinforcement has been put in place. However, the Manipur government yesterday has conducted an important cabinet meeting. Some more decisions have been taken, given the fact that there are now these reports of recovery of the bodies, which are in all likelihood what apprehensions might be of those who are missing, because only after proper autopsy report and identification can be ascertained whether the bodies which have already reached, the 3 bodies which have already reached Silchar Medical College, and those which have been recovered later are of those people who are missing or not. But since these bodies are being recovered, since there is a shutdown in the valley region as well by civil society groups, so therefore what we are hearing is that the government is now contemplating to keep even schools shut till at least 16th of this month.